Welcome to this tutorial on how to save with a GoHenry parent account. As a parent, teaching your children the importance of saving is a valuable life skill that will benefit them in the long run. GoHenry is a prepaid debit card and app designed for kids and teens that allows parents to monitor and control their child's spending while teaching them how to manage money. To get started, you will need to set up a GoHenry parent account. This can be done by downloading the GoHenry app or visiting their website. Once you have created an account, you can add your child and set up their own account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your child's name and date of birth. One of the key features of GoHenry is the ability to set savings goals for your child. You can do this by logging into your parent account and navigating to the savings section. Here you can set a specific savings goal, such as saving for a new bike or a college fund. You can also set a target amount and a deadline for reaching that goal. To encourage your child to save, you can also set up automatic transfers from their spending money to their savings account. This can be done on a weekly or monthly basis, and you can choose the amount that is transferred. You can also make one-off transfers to their savings account at any time. Another useful feature of GoHenry is the ability to assign tasks to your child. These tasks can be chores or other responsibilities that your child must complete in order to earn money. Once the task is completed, you can approve the payment and the money will be added to your child's account. This is a great way to teach your child the value of hard work and the importance of earning money. In addition to saving, GoHenry also provides a range of educational resources to help your child learn about money management. These resources include interactive lessons and quizzes that cover topics such as budgeting, saving, and spending. You can access these resources through the GoHenry app or website. To make the most of the GoHenry parent account, it's a good idea to regularly review your child's account with them. This will help them to see how their savings are progressing and encourage them to continue saving. You can also use this opportunity to discuss the importance of saving and how it can help them to achieve their goals. In conclusion, the GoHenry parent account is a powerful tool for teaching your child the importance of saving. By setting savings goals, assigning tasks, and making regular transfers, you can help your child to develop good money management habits that will last a lifetime. With its range of features and educational resources, GoHenry is an excellent choice for parents who want to give their child a head start in managing their finances.